Hey everyone, my name is David Warner, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Microsoft Teams solution with the Teams Yeoman generator. Let's begin by setting the context for our demo. On the right-hand side of the screen is the folder upon which we want to install our solution into. We see it's in D, P&P, Teams Demo. On the left-hand side of our screen, we have a command prompt connected to the same location where we would like to install the solution. As long as you have all the dependencies installed, to create a Teams solution is very easy. You simply type Teams and hit enter. This will kick off the Microsoft Teams app Yeoman generator. The Teams app generator will ask you a series of questions with which it will use your answers to scaffold out the solution code and the manifest configuration. We'll begin by providing a solution name. For this video, we're going to simply accept the default settings so as not to overcomplicate the demonstration, so you can simply select enter. We're now asked where we would like to place the files. We'll simply accept to use the current folder. Next, we're asked for the title of our Microsoft Teams app project. Teams Demo is provided, so we'll accept that. It asks for our company name, which we'll go ahead and accept the default of Patterns and Practices, and it asks us which manifest version we would like to use. We'll accept 1.6. Now it asks for our partner ID if we have one. We can leave this blank if we don't. Next, it asks us what features we would like to add to our project. Now this is a multi-select opportunity. You could select A for everything, I to invert the selection. So for example, if I select I, it will unselect a tab and select everything else. Or I could go ahead and arrow key up and down and use the space bar to select one or the other. We'll stay with these two selections, a tab and a bot, and select enter to continue. From this point forward, it's important to note that you may be asked different questions than you see in this demo, depending on the type of features you chose for your Teams solution. For this demo, we're not going to walk through every possible scenario, but we encourage you to try out the generator for the best combination of features for your desired solution. For the rest of this demo installation, we're simply going to accept the default properties that are provided to us. As you're watching the different questions being asked by the generator, it might be a good idea to write down some of the information you'll need for your solution, such as the URL where you will host this solution. If you're going to use Azure Application Insights, you will need the instrumentation key. If you require Azure AD single sign-on support, you'll need the application ID, and the other necessary information you see being asked by the generator. Now on this option, what is the title of your static tab for the bot? There is a max of 16 characters. The default value provided, though, may be more than 16 characters, so be sure to confirm your character's length to continue. For this demo, we'll remove the default and replace it with Teams. Now that we've answered all the questions, the generator will begin to install all of the solution code and dependencies needed for our Teams solution. We can see these files having been created on the right-hand panel within our File Explorer. In addition to the solution code, depending on the feature choices we made, a README will also be created, as we can see here for our Teams tab and Teams bot. Now that the Teams generator has completed the scaffolding of our solution, we're ready to begin developing our Microsoft Teams app.